Hello, my people. Good evening, Biafrans. Yes, Nigeria will keep one also. The latest in town is that we now have a new tribe, the Northern Igbos. Wonder shall never end. Of course, Northern Igbos, what is wrong about it? After all, the Fulanis are not Northerners. Remember, the Fulanis came just in the 18th century. So the Northerners are the Hausas, the owners of the land. Solanis are settlers, just like we now have the Northern Igbos. The Northern Igbos are also settlers. But let us be serious. Why these Northern Igbos? What makes some group of people to come out and declare themselves Northern Igbos? I blame it on our leaders. This is totally a typical example of leadership failures. The Southeast governors have failed woefully. The Ohanese Igbo have failed. Religious leaders have failed. Traditional leaders have equally failed. What stopped the Southeast leaders or governors from developing the Southeast, from opening the Southeast? We know what our people want. Our people are businessmen. They are traders. What stopped these governors from building a modern international market? We have only Onitsha International Market. Why can't we have Alaba in the east? Why can't we have Idumota in the east? Why can't we have Sabongeri in the east? This is leadership failure because the leaders have failed to do the needful. The people have no choice than to declare themselves Northerners. And why did they do this? Two reasons. One, out of fear for their lives. You will agree with me that the Northerners, when I say Northerners, I mean the original owners of the land. The Hausas has no problem. You can live in peace with them. Other Northern minorities, minority tribes have no problems. The problem is just the Fulanis. Those who want to sow, reap where they did not sow. The Fulanis, jihadis, killer herdsmen, terrorists, one tribe have all this. So these people declare themselves Northerners because of fear for their lives, believing that by so doing, they will be spared if anything happens. They didn't forget what happened in the 1950s, and they did not forget what happened in the 60s, and they know that the Northerners have been killing Igbos for ages. Another reason why they declare themselves Northern Igbos is because of their wealth. Remember, not because of the wealth in the north, not because of what the government is giving them, no, because of the wealth they built themselves with their sweat, because of their wealth, to protect their sweat, to protect their wealth. Love for money, that is what makes them to deny their brothers in the east and now declare themselves the Northern Igbos. These are the two major reasons. You can go anywhere. I have told you the honest truth. Again, I blame the so-called Igbo leaders. But the question is their life safe? The answer is no. Is their wealth protected? The answer is no. It is not. Igbos have been living in the north for hundreds of years, and the north keep on destroying their properties, keep on killing them. Is it now that it's going to change? Nigeria is a country that we are tribal in nature. An Igbo man knows that he's an Igbo man. You can live in the north for 1 million years. It doesn't make sense. An Hausa man know that he's an Hausa man, no matter where he found himself. If he leaves his comfort zone, he's coming to your area with ordinary mat. He can live there for hundreds of years. The day he will go back with his mat. The Yorubas also know that they are Oduduwas, so it doesn't matter where they find themselves. They know where they come from. So there is no way this issue of Northern Igbos will stand. But my take is this: because they have rejected us, we will also reject them. In fact, I'm waiting for my leader, Mazen Nandekano, the Video.Guru, the only one we know. I'm waiting for him to make a statement on this. Let us know what will be the fate of these so-called Northern Igbos. I'm waiting for Mazen Nandekano to make a statement on that. And whatever he says is final. Oh, we all know. Whatever Mazen Nandekano says concerning this madness, that is what is going to stand. When Biafra is restored, what will be the fate of these so-called Northern Igbos? These people are shooting themselves on the leg. Igbos are many. We don't give a damn. We are over 80 million and counting. So if 20 million Igbos in the north have decided to declare themselves Igbos, even though I know not all the Igbos in the north is in this madness, just few of them that are rich, that love their wealth, they don't want their wealth to be, taken over by the caliphate or their life to be snatched off. So they are the ones making these unnecessary statements. It doesn't stop Biafra agitation. It does not stop us from restoring Biafra. It doesn't stop it. It does not. But it is very important to note that in the day of referendum, these so-called Northern Igbos will not be involved. Now, Basabo, they will not be involved, honestly. They will not be involved. If you involve them in it, so brothers and sisters, it doesn't matter what anybody is saying. It's possible that Northerners are trying to use these people to, settle scores, because IPOB is serious. ESN is serious, and these people are afraid. Honestly, the caliphate is afraid. Now that the Masquerade have declared that there will be no restructuring of the zoo, what next? For those of you who have been canvassing for restructuring, now the Masquerade said it openly: no restructuring of the zoo over his dead body. Then what next? What next? 17 Southern governors. If you have boss, declare Republic of Southern Nigeria. And let's start from there. From there we go to Biafra, and from there we go to Oduduwa. 17 Southern governors, the ball is your court. They have thrown a challenge to you. You came out and declare ban to open grazing. They said no, and they are still grazing openly. You came out and say restructuring. They said no. You also say national conference. They said no. So the most important 3 points you raised, they have cancelled it. One man is standing on the way, and you people are afraid of one man. One man, what a shame. So if I'm a governor after all this nonsense, assuming that Mazen Nandekano is a governor in one of the eastern states, so he will listen to all this rubbish. Oh, God forbid. We need brave men in the south, honestly. We need brave men. Not these slaves that they impose on us. These cowards, they impose on us. People of God, let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and let's move forward. God bless you all. Bye-bye.